Hey guys, so today I have decided to do a first impression on this number 7 foundation. It's called Lift and Luminate Triple Action Serum Foundation, and it has sunscreen, which I like. I don't know anything about it, so I'm gonna learn about it with you while I try it on. It is a medium to full coverage foundation with SPF 15, instantly gives skin a firmer, brighter looking appearance and contains optical blurring technology to help reflect light away from fine lines and wrinkles. Formulated with skin expert technology and available in 18 shades. Skin loving ingredients. The tinted serum foundation contains vitamin A, C, and E to help brighten the appearance of skin and leave you with a radiant glow. Hibiscus is another active ingredient, working to enhance the skin's ability to retain moisture. Lastly, this SPF foundation contains number 7's collagen-based peptide technology, Matrixyl 3000 Plus, for a more youthful looking complexion. 114 respondents found that after 4 weeks of using this face makeup, 93% saw a visible reduction in the appearance of age spots, 85% saw a visible reduction in the appearance of fine lines, and 91% saw their skin looking firmer. I'm just going to put a little bit more in a couple of the places that need a little bit more coverage. I'm kind of on the fence about it. But I do have a long ways to go. So it definitely covered a lot. It seems to be buildable, and it seems to be what it says to be. It seems to be medium to full coverage. So I guess I'm gonna go and finish my face, and then I will come back. Hopefully I'll have a better opinion of it by then. This is a foundation I know absolutely nothing about. This is the first time I've used it. I just saw it in the store and picked it up because it says it was great for aging skin. So I figured why not. So let's see how it does. I'll be back. I think I like it. It looks really great under this makeup. My skin looks really good. But we shall see. I have to go to work now, so I will come back when I get home and we'll see how it held up. So here's the real test. Okay. I have had this makeup on all day long. It is 11:15 at night right now. PM. I've had this on so long. I am so ready to just wash my face and curl up and get in bed. But before I do that, let me just explain something to you. I have not powdered once. The only thing I have done to my face since the last time this camera was on was reapply lip gloss. That is it. So I have not had to apply, I have not, I mean, not that I, well, I don't even think I need it. I mean, I haven't applied powder or anything. I mean, for how long I've had this on without powder, without powdering or anything, I am impressed. Like it hasn't gotten cakey. Like I mean, I just, it looks so good. I mean, for how long I've had it on. Especially with it being the middle of August. I mean, so this is some good stuff. I mean, I don't know anything about the long-term wear, or, you know, like I know it talked about whatever percentage of people after wearing it for so long a period of time saw less wrinkles, and I know it's supposed to be pretty good for your skin and all that. I don't know about those things, obviously, but as far as wear goes, it definitely at the top of my list. I love the L'Oreal, what is it? Infallible Pro Glow, but I had to powder with that, and I definitely had to powder with the JOA. I had to powder with the JOA foundation as well, because that got pretty shiny after a few hours. So this one is probably my favorite so far of all of the ones I've tried so far. I really, really like this foundation a lot. Have you tried it? What did you think? And are you one of those people that have worn it sort of long term? And if so, are you seeing some of the anti-aging benefits that other people are talking about and really liking? Like I said, I can't say anything about that, but as far as wear goes, for the wear test, absolutely 10 out of 10. I will 100% wear this foundation again. I really, really like it. Do you have any thoughts, comments? Do you have any suggestions for other foundations I should try? Let me know what you think. And if you've tried this foundation also, let us know what you think. And I look forward to seeing you again next time. I love you guys. Bye.